Beat boredom blues, 10 fun and easy activities to spice up your day. Ever found yourself staring at the clock, waiting for time to pass like a sloth on a lazy Sunday? Boredom can sneak up on the best of us, but fear not. I'm here with a rescue plan, a list of 10 fantastically fun things to do when you find yourself in the clutches of boredom. Get ready to turn a dull day into a mini adventure. 1. Doodle delight. Grab a piece of paper and let your imagination run wild. Doodling isn't just for artists, it's a fantastic way to unleash your creativity. Draw squiggles, shapes, or even your dream pet rock. The goal is simple: let the pen dance, and see where it takes you. 2. Kitchen karaoke. Take your vocal cords on a culinary adventure. Pick a favorite song, but replace the lyrics with ingredients from your kitchen. It's not just about making noise, it's about cooking up a storm of laughter. Bonus points if you can convince your spatula to join the chorus. 3. Bookworm break. Dive into a world of words and get lost in a good book. Whether it's a gripping mystery, a heartwarming romance, or a sci-fi escapade, a good book can transport you to another realm and banish boredom faster than you can say page-turner. 4. Indoor safari. Turn your living room into a wild jungle. Pretend you're on a safari, armed with a flashlight and a stuffed animal sidekick. Encounter the mighty sofa mountains and the treacherous carpet swamps. Just be wary of the fearsome beast known as the remote control. 5. DIY time capsule. Embark on a journey through time without leaving your living room. Collect a few items that represent your current life, a doodle, a trinket, a note, and seal them in a box. Write a letter to your future self, toss it in, and bury it at the back of your closet. Future you will thank present you for the blast from the past. 6. Puzzle pandemonium. Challenge your brain with puzzles. Whether it's a classic jigsaw, a crossword, or a Sudoku, puzzles are like brain workouts. They keep your mind sharp and make boredom vanish into thin air. Plus, the sweet satisfaction of completing a puzzle is unbeatable. 7. Window watcher's wonder. Become a silent observer of the outside world. Find a comfy spot by the window and watch the world go by. Create stories about the neighbors, imagine where the birds are heading, or pretend you're a detective solving the mystery of the mailman's daily adventures. 8. Backyard bonanza. If you're lucky enough to have a backyard, make it your playground. Plant a seed, create a mini herb garden, or just lie on the grass and cloud gaze. Nature has a magical way of making time fly and boredom disappear. 9. Tech-free time travel. Unplug for a while. Declare a tech-free zone and see what happens. Dust off those board games, try your hand at a new recipe without YouTube guidance, or have a conversation that doesn't involve emojis. It's a journey back to simpler times, and you might discover a newfound appreciation for the analog world. 10. Random acts of kindness. Spread some joy without leaving your abode. Write a cheerful note and leave it in a library book, surprise a family member with a spontaneous dance party, or send a funny e-card to a friend. Kindness is the ultimate boredom buster, and it's a win-win for everyone involved. Conclusion: boredom doesn't stand a chance against this arsenal of entertaining activities. The next time you find yourself twiddling your thumbs, remember that a world of fun is just a few doodles, dances, and DIY adventures away. So, go ahead, seize the day, and let the boredom busting begin. What's your go-to boredom buster? Share it in the comments, and let's banish boredom together. If you enjoyed this guide to battling boredom, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more boredom busting content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, stay entertained, stay awesome.